currently like 7 p.m. It's January 2nd. We're in New Hampshire right now. I'm organizing my bag in a Jersey Mike's parking lot. This car is about to pull into my bag. But yeah, we're setting up camp in a second here, so hopefully I'll get an update soon enough for the night. Does that sound like a good idea? Does that sound like a plan?
Yeah, I think we should find the coldest and harshest place to sleep at night. Tonight.
Lay it out over this area.
It's 8:09. Heelberg's officially set up. We're about to get 12 hours of sleep and wake up
It's cozy.
fully rested. I think my Garmin's gonna be happy with me tomorrow morning. Not too shabby. It's early in the AM. About to head out. Well, at least that's one thing we don't have to worry about. No avalanches today.
It looks pretty windy up there, so yeah.
Yeah, definitely. The mountain's waking up. So are we. We're like 3,000 feet. So, a lot more to go. Just hitting this second bridge now. Feeling pretty good. Starting to see some sky. Just check out some of this snow. So beautiful here. Nice and easy so far. Winds aren't that crazy. Once we get up higher, things will change. Just put it that way. Taking our first real break. Just got to the start of the Lion's Head Trail. I forgot the part where you screw it in.
Yeah.
On the helmet piece.
Sure.
It's time to throw these on. It's about to get sketchy. Hey Colin.
Yeah?
Can you do me a favor and just see if the GoPro's filming right now?
I think so.
Nice. Okay, Mr. GoPro. Welcome to the top of my head. We're going up the Lion's Head Trail. And I'm a fucking lion.
Colin, are you kidding me? Look. Oh my god.
Wait,
It's Hannah.
we know you.
There's no way.
I know you guys.
I know you.
That's crazy.
Last time I saw you guys, you were on the damn summit of Mount Rainier.
Yeah, that's right. We did get that.
That is crazy. How are we gonna do this, boys? We're going
Fucking
right?
send it, you know?
We're going right, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. We were just told by a group of people that there's 100-mile-per-hour winds at Lion's Head and there's zero visibility. So there's literally no way that we can summit, but we're just gonna go check it out. So let's go. Brutal.
Oh, it's gonna get better. It ain't be brutal yet.
again. Good. Yeah, that is not happening. Oh, what? I still got 47% on this. It was lying to me. Well, that was a complete disaster. My left crampon came off, so I put it back on, and then it came off again, and then I put it back on. I don't know why the GoPro keeps dying, but I was trying to say that I made it down the Well, my face is partially frozen. Here's an example of how tough the conditions are out here. Well, yeah, okay, so this water jug is rock solid. One of the many mistakes that I made today was not bringing enough insulated water bottles. I would have been fucked if we went up higher and I was out of water, so you live and you learn. Try again sometime soon. It's my birthday.
I don't want anything else today. We got as tense as that just got.
The saga continues. This multi-day excursion. We have failed Mount Washington, and so we must return before we go back to our homes. Colin, can you accept going back home without summoning Mount Washington?
No.
Eli? No. Exactly. So we have cut out the ski portion of our trip and dedicated ourselves to going back down to North Conway, staying maybe in Comfort Inn, maybe outside. We'll talk about that. I don't get to go to Jay Peak because I failed Mount Washington for the third time. I don't get to go there.
No skies.
I get no scuzz. I get no muzz because I failed Mount Washington every single time and I'm tired of it. I'm actually gonna summit Mount Washington tomorrow and I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna be done. 15 minutes away from Mount Washington. If we get up tomorrow, we don't fuck around. We get out. Impossible to fail. We're making it impossible to fail. That night, we played Monopoly to kill off whatever of our humanity we had left.
The delegates collect the 850. They're seeking their due now. The Space Guild has spoken. There will be no trade. Summoned you.
We became one with the cold. Alright, here we go. One more time. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Give it right to me. They're gonna do. That's you.
2 hours later.
Just below the tree line again. Getting deja vu. No resting until I have the lion's head. There she is. My nemesis. No resting until I have the lion's head. I see you now. Good one. Nice. Very good.
Washington Observatory. Here. There's the visitor center. It's 312.
312.
Okay.